Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use reshare sticker on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Tap plus sign on top right. Then choose story from bottom menu. Tap create. Now tap sticker icon from top. Here you will find reshare. Just tap reshare. Reshare a photo or video that you have recently viewed, saved or posted. You can choose any post from recent view or saved item or from your post. So choose one post. Then you can resize that post. By tap on the color button, you can change color. When editing done, tap share to. Then share your post on story. Similarly, you can reshare your post to story. Just choose your post, then tap share to. When someone tap on your story, they can view post. So these are the steps to use reshare sticker on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.